The next song I'll sing is Daniel O'Connell. Now, Daniel O'Connell was credited with being the man to introduce the steam engine to Ireland. There was all sorts of rumours going round among the country folk about what this steam engine was for. And so this is a wee song that was written about. Ye lovers of mirth, I pray pay attention and listen to what I'm about to relate. Concerning a couple I overheard talking as I was returning late home from a wake. As I rode along, sure I met an old woman who sat neath the gap just a milking her cow. She was jigging a tune called Come Haste to the Wedding, or some other ditty, I can't tell you now. On looking around me I spied a bold tinker, who only by chance came a strolling same way. The weather being fine, sure he sat down beside her. What news, honest man, this old woman did say. It's not good at all, ma'am, replied the bold tinker, and the people will wish that they never had been. It's a damned double rogue of a Daniel O'Connell. He's now making children in Dublin by steam. Our children are oh, then replied the old woman, and on a man jowl is he crazy at last. Is the sign of a war, or a sudden rebellion, or what is the reason he wants them so fast? It's not that at all, ma'am, replied the bold tinker. The children of Ireland were getting so small. It's O'Connell's petition to the new Lord Lieutenant to not let us make them the old way at all. By the pipe in me mouth, then replied the old woman, and that's a great oath on myself for to say. I'm only a woman, but if I was near him, I bet you me life that is little he'd say. For the people of Ireland is very well known, they gave him their earnings, though they done them bad, and as now he is well recompensing them for it by taking what little diversion he had. Long life to your courage, replied the bold tinker, and long may you live and have youth on your side. And if all the young children in Ireland were like you, O'Connell could throw his steam engine one side. I think every girl that is in this old country should begin making children as fast as they can. So if ever Her Majesty asks for an army, they'll be able to send her as many as Dan.